In this video, we are going to study simple past tense. I am going to show you how to form and when to use a simple past tense. Verbs that speak of actions that took place sometime in the past are said to be in the simple past tense. Examples: I walked to school yesterday. He paid for dinner last week. Both the sentences are in the past tense, is finished, and is completely unrelated to the present. Regular and irregular verbs. In English language, we have regular and irregular verbs, and it is important to study how to use these verbs to form a simple past tense. For regular verbs, we simply use verb and add ed. Example: I kicked the ball. It rained yesterday. All these sentences are in past tense. Like the word walk will become walked. Study will change to studied. And cry will change to cried. With the verbs ending with E, we add D along with the verb. Example: I lived here in 2012. He closed the window. Let us look at some more examples of regular and irregular verbs. The word teach in simple present tense will change to taught in simple past tense. Bring will change to brought. Leave will change to left. Children, you all will have to learn these irregular verbs. Let us now look at the structure of the simple past tense. To construct a grammatically correct past tense sentence, we use the following structure. To form a declarative sentence, we first have the subject, followed by the second form of the verb, that is the past tense, plus rest of the sentence. For example, he solved the sum. To make a negative sentence, we'll begin with the subject again, followed by did not just before our main verb solve, and the rest of the sentence. For example, he did not solve the sum. To create a question, did becomes the question followed by the subject and verb in its space form plus a question mark. For example, did he solve the sum? Let us study about the uses of simple past tense. We use the simple past tense to express that an action started and finished at a specific time in the past. For example, I went to the market last week. Maya left the school in 2000. The second use of simple past tense is to express a duration in the past. For example, he lived in Canada for 6 years. Ria studied French for 4 years. Last we have simple past tense is used to talk about a series of actions in the past. For example, we packed and went for a picnic. I got up early, brushed my teeth, and prepared breakfast. Children, I hope after watching this video, you'll be able to do the exercises given in your language textbook. Thank you.